Hi there, it's Tony Nicole. I asked you to send me pictures of your dial crafts to my Facebook page or tag me on Instagram. I got these amazing photos of your dial crafts and I'm so excited. So I'm putting together a slideshow to share with you all. And since you guys are sharing with me, I wanted to share with you about something that I do outside of the dial world. I love music and I've been writing songs for a really long time. So I wanted to share a demo that I recorded a couple of years ago and no one's heard it but my family and friends, and I wanted to share it with you.
This is dedicated to you. This is dedicated to you. This is for the little kids hurt by what somebody did, and the dreamers with a plan, trying to become businessmen. I see you running from the status quo, trying to find an open door. All you keep hearing is no. They say stop when you go, calling you crazy for sure. Just because you're wanting more is what you do. You gotta keep on. You gotta keep on going. You gotta keep on. You gotta keep on going. Never give up, even when it gets rough. You gotta keep on. You gotta keep on going. This is for the single moms working hard to get it done. And if you're at home studying instead of hanging with your friends, I see you running from the status quo, trying to find an open door. All you keep hearing is no. They say stop when you go, calling you crazy for sure. Just because you're wanting more is what you do. You gotta keep on. You gotta keep on going. You gotta keep on. You gotta keep on going. Never give up, even when it gets rough. You gotta keep on. You gotta keep on going. Challenges may come and go, but you need to always know that you can do anything through Christ that strengthens you. Failure ain't an option. You can never quit. Gotta keep your focus. Don't slow down a bit. When you're feeling discouraged, here's what you do. You gotta keep on. You gotta keep on going. You gotta keep on. You gotta keep on going. Never give up, even when it gets rough. You gotta keep on. You gotta keep on going. This is dedicated to you. I see you. This is dedicated to you. I see you. I see you. I see you. God sees you too. Oh, keep on.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the song. leave a comment and let me know what you think. And thanks as always for watching. And remember, it's more fun to make it. Enjoy. So I was thinking like, I wanted to share this with you because it's really I wanted to share about